to it that is called Espresso. Hopefully getting to San Juan del Sur quickly, within 2.5 hours, not 3. Inside of our bus, straight up school bus with at least some comfy seats. Me and Carrie, hey, we're enjoying the back seats of the bus with all the luggage. Oh, I like zoomed it in. Let's go zoom it out. Okay. This is the inside of our bus. There's Blondie. And we're next to all our luggage. Not all our luggage, but we want to make sure that our luggage is in, so. Got some music on. Lots of Christmas presents.
Permiso, permiso.
Yeah,
I have an armrest.
yeah, we got some space here. Nice and squishy in here, I don't know if you can tell, and there's just more and more people showing up with luggage now. Tis the Christmas season, lots of gifts. This is at the Mercado Wembes. Here we are up in our restaurant slash panic or I guess rooftop restaurant. You can see the pool. And here's Carrie. And it smells like skunks, so we're having this big discussion about skunks. This is Oscar.
Hola.
Hola, Oscar. Hello, here I am. Alright, so we're just having some fun conversations. I'm having an evening cafe. Que bueno. Alright, so you might be wondering, why am I taking a video of the toilet? But we do have a toilet gecko.
Let's see if I can find him.
And let's see if we're going to see if we can find the toilet gecko. Actually, don't get your hair stuck in there.
There he is.
There's the toilet gecko. You just gotta get your head right in there so you can see it. Just gotta get your hands right in the toilet so you can see it.
Oh.
It's a swimming toilet gecko, you know? A little tickle in the front or in the back. Like, there's our toilet gecko. Like, who else has pets in their toilet? That's my question for you today. Who else has toilet pets? And how can I get me one of these?
Toilet pet.
A toilet pet. Like, carry your hands right in the toilet.
Well, I'm trying to get him out.
I know. But, oh, you're trying to get him out? Okay,
Yeah, I don't want him in the. I don't really particularly want to pee on him.
Do
you?
No, but it's just gonna, let's see, put a little flush down, see what will happen.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, he just
I
walked.
want to flush him down. Oh
I'm sure he went to a bigger and better place called the sewer. You killed the gecko. No more tickles for you. Just kidding.
Oh, I feel bad.
I thought he was gonna somehow escape, like
I
just
did
like
too.
charge out of there, fly out, like his magical
Poor thing.
Speedy Gonzales. Yeah. Oh well, it's a sad day. We should
Toilet gecko.
for toilet gecko. Let's throw some flowers down for it. To be continued.
Oh, I feel bad.
It's okay. Alright, you're tuning in to two girls that are having a shitload of fun in Nicaragua, in San Juan del Sur. Woo
I
woo!
feel guilty about my toilet gecko.
We lost a pet today. It is a very sad day for us. But we have some adventures tomorrow. To be tuned in. Check us out.